Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to define foreign currency variance posting rules in NetSuite. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials, and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go in Setup, Company, Enable Features. Because what we need to check is in the Accounting subtab. If I go down, here we need this to be checked, foreign currency variance mapping. That's a prerequisite before the rest of the tutorial, and I save it. So now I can go to Setup, Accounting, and I should see a new menu. Yeah, I see it here, perfect. Foreign currency variance posting rules. I click on it. So we're going to create a new rule. So in the rule name field, you enter a name that's easy and unique to identify. My first rule. You can enter a description, obviously, which I would recommend that you do, so you can easily differentiate and understand how you got to that point. Then you need to select a destination account for the foreign currency posting variance rule. This is the account where the foreign currency variances will be posted when the rule criteria are met. The destination account must be of the type other income or other expense. That's the only rule, so I'll just put it on this one for an example. Then you can put it as inactive. Obviously that's not what we want. If you find this video helpful, then please like it, and then you can define the criteria for the rule. So field, you can select the fields and values that will determine when this rule applies. So there's a bunch of fields going from account, department, memo, test video, and so on and so on. I mean, you see the whole list in front of you here. So I'm just going to check class, and I will just control click or command click to select several. Choose if you want any or none off. I set, and then I save. Important consideration: each rule must have a unique set of criteria, otherwise they will clash. The order of priority that will be done on the other screen, where you have the whole list of foreign currency variance posting rules. By default, the first matching rule is used. Ensure all destination accounts and accounts included as criteria are active. Subsidiaries must be associated with the destination accounts. Ensure that all the rules you want to use are active, obviously that you didn't mark the inactive box, that you prioritize it correctly. And obviously, don't forget to visit Kolleno.com for more information and tools to enhance your accounting processes. Thank you for watching.